Hello everyone, I am Sai Chethan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I will discuss about the specifications and all the details regarding the Realme GT series. Yes friends, finally the Realme GT has been launched in the China. They did release the two models. One is the Snapdragon 870, another is the Snapdragon 778G processor. But in this video, I'll try to cover only the Snapdragon 870 chipset. I'll try to make another video for the Snapdragon 778. What are the specifications in this phone? But let's see, explore this one. The name of this Snapdragon 870 model, which is called the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. Yes friends, this is a very too much big name. I'm not sure why they came across this kind of big name, but let's discuss about what are the specifications and how is the design and what are the things to know before actually getting to know about this detail. That's what I'm going to talk in this entire video. So this is a poster you'll be seeing completely in Chinese friends regarding all the specifications of the phone, but I will discuss each and every details about the phone, what is the weight of the phone and what is the display panel and everything I'll try to show you. So first let's talk about the design. So design is another different thing in the Realme GT Explorer Edition. As you can see from the back panel, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a new type of design the Realme they are trying to introduce with this kind of model, Realme GT Explorer Edition. So let's see what are the specifications, and first let's explore the display. The display of the phone has got 6.55 inch screen, 120Hz refresh rate, AMOLED panel and 1100 nits of brightness. There's nothing much more. I did not expect anything different, nothing at all. So everything is completely fine and same like the previous phones which we did see, nothing much different. But the weight of the phone is about 183 grams or 185 grams, so depending upon the color and different designs. And obviously the phone comes with a Snapdragon 870 chipset. So this is the only phone which is in the late in the market. Yes friends, so already we did see the OnePlus iQOO Mi11X device, and now we are getting the Realme phone. I'm not sure when the Realme GT will launch, and there's a lot of the Realme GT series to get launched in India, but I'm not sure when they're going to launch or not, and why they're taking too much of time, because we are seeing the Poco F3 GT is going to launch and OnePlus Nord 2 is going to launch, and by the time they release these phones, I'm not sure who will be buying these phones, because right now people are really excited to buy this kind of gaming oriented phones and premium range segment phones. That is the reason. And we are getting the camera about 50 megapixel camera. Now the trend has been converted to 50 megapixel. So I'm not sure, all the smartphone manufacturers, they're trying to keep one 50 megapixel camera in their series. So right now the Realme also started with this kind of 50 megapixel thing. And we do have the stereo speaker setup, and there is no 3.5mm jack, and front cam 32 megapixel, as you can see friends. So we do have the Wi-Fi 6 compatibility and the Bluetooth 5.2 as well. That's another good advantage here, no issues. So overall in this, I think USB Type-C 2.0. So only the OnePlus phones, they will have the most of the time Type-C 3.0, and few of the premium range mobile phones only. That's another thing. So 4500 mAh of battery capacity and fast charging, 65 watt of fast charging. It can charge within close to 33 minutes. That is what the company is claiming. The phone can actually charge in 33 minutes. But apart from this one, there's nothing much specialty is going on in this phone except the display. Yes friends, there's nothing much specialty in this phone, basically the Realme GT Explorer Edition. So except the display, everything is kind of same completely. So everything is nothing much attractive about this phone except the design and kind of display, which is curved display. We did see so many Oppo phones launching with the curved display, but not the Realme phones. So Realme phones, I think this is the first time they're launching with the curved display. Maybe if they get launched in India, that is what I'm expecting, but I'm not sure when they're gonna bring this kind of Realme GT series. I think they are planning to bring during the Diwali, I think so, or maybe. So display is one another thing which I'm excited, and even the Snapdragon 870, I just want to see how well this phone will be performing using the Snapdragon 870 chipset. That is what I'm going to check. So maybe in another video I'll try to cover with another topic friends on the Realme GT Master Edition, which is a normal Snapdragon 778G model. I'll try to talk about all the details in another video. So in this video I'll just focused only on the Explorer Edition, which is a Snapdragon 870 edition. So in case if you have any other questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Very soon we are going to see more and more phones releasing very soon as well. Stay tuned friends, bye.